Kuchipudi is a classical dance form from the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, known for its graceful movements, intricate footwork, and expressive storytelling. It's one of the major classical dance forms of India, alongside Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, Kathakali, and Mohiniyattam. Here are some key aspects of Kuchipudi. Origins and history. Kuchipudi has its roots in ancient temple dance traditions. It was traditionally performed by Brahmin men in the village of Kuchipudi, which is where it gets its name. Over time, it has evolved and now includes its performances by both men and women. Performance style. Kuchipudi performances typically involve a blend of dance and drama. The dance style is known for its fluid, graceful movements and expressive gestures. Performers often enact stories from Hindu mythology, particularly focusing on the tales of Lord Krishna. Costume and makeup. The traditional costume for Kuchipudi includes a sari for female dancers, which is draped in a way that allows for ease of movement. Male dancers usually wear a dhoti. Both male and female performers wear elaborate jewelry and makeup, which helps to accentuate their expressions and movements. Music and accompaniment. The music for Kuchipudi performances is usually classical Carnatic music. It includes vocal music, instrumental music, and percussion. The musical compositions are integral to the performance, providing rhythm and emotional depth. Training and technique. Kuchipudi training involves rigorous practice in both dance and acting. The technique includes intricate footwork, spins, and jumps, as well as the use of hand gestures, mudras, and facial expressions to convey emotions and tell stories. Notable figures. Some prominent Kuchipudi dancers include Vempati China Satyam, who is credited with revitalizing and popularizing the dance form, and Yamini Krishnamurthy, a renowned performer who has received numerous accolades for her contributions to Indian classical dance expression. This combination creates a powerful medium for storytelling, allowing the audience to connect with the characters on a deeper level. But let's talk about the technique. The footwork in Kuchipudi is not just about rhythm, it's a language of its own. Dancers often perform on the edges of their feet, creating sharp staccato movements that can be both powerful and delicate. The talam, or rhythmic cycle, plays a crucial role here. It's fascinating how dancers can maintain complex rhythms while expressing emotions through their bodies. This requires immense practice and discipline, making it an art form that demands dedication. Now, what about the costumes? They are nothing short of stunning. Traditional Kuchipudi attire consists of a silk sari, intricately draped to allow freedom of movement, adorned with beautiful jewelry that enhances the visual appeal. The makeup is equally important, with bold colors and designs that help convey the character's emotions. When you see a dancer transform into a goddess or a heroic figure, it's a reminder of how art can transcend the ordinary. Kuchipudi is also about connection. It's a communal experience, often performed in temples or during festivals, bringing people together to celebrate their shared culture. In today's fast-paced world, where we often feel disconnected, watching a Kuchipudi performance can remind us of the importance of community and tradition. It's a bridge between generations, where the stories of the past are passed down through dance, keeping the culture alive. If you're thinking about exploring Kuchipudi, whether as a dancer or an audience member, I encourage you to dive in. There are countless resources available online. You can find classes, tutorials, and performances that can introduce you to this beautiful art form. And trust me, once you start to appreciate the nuances of Kuchipudi, you'll find yourself drawn into its world.